or good afternoon, or good evening. If you're in Asia, it's good evening. If you're in the US, it's good morning. I'm so grateful for this time to be able to meet you and share a little practice. One of my favorites, actually, practicing since 2004. Um, my favorite is the finger holds. Why do I love the finger holds? Because number one, they're very simple and easy. Nobody will even know if you're at work or in your car, not driving, just as a passenger. Or if you're at home, nobody will know that you're balancing and harmonizing yourself, your emotions, and the attitudes that we have in our lives. When they're not in balance, then it affects other things. For example, if you have an attitude of worry that's in excess, it could affect your thinking, your sleep, it could disturb your digestion. So we'll start with that since nowadays a lot of people are at work or in our minds. So let's start with if you, actually, first, if you would notice the left side and the right side of your body, simply just pay attention and notice which side has more tension or seems wanting your attention. It could also be the side that's more flowing. Just notice which side is wanting my attention today to be more loved and cared for. So on my end, I feel the left side of my body asking attention. So I will pick my left hand and hold the thumb. So if this is my thumb, there's many ways to hold. You can hold it this way, you can hold it that way. Whichever is more comfortable for you is the best way to hold because jinshin is an art. So although there are instructions, whichever fits you the most is the most helpful for you. So let us hold our thumb. So pick a side, either your left thumb or your right thumb, and simply place it down by your belly or just on your thigh, whichever supports you the most. And as you hold your thumb, there's really nothing to do and nowhere to be, but simply be here. You can breathe in, notice your belly as it expands, and then breathe out. We will be holding each finger for about 2 minutes, and with each inhale and with each exhale, simply pay attention. Do you feel the pulse in your thumb? Do you feel the tension in your body part that could start softening? Or simply feel your breath as it comes in and as it gently comes out. You may choose to have your eyes slightly open or closed, whichever supports you and makes you feel more comfortable. As you hold your thumb, know that you are also helping your stomach, your spleen. You're saying, I see you, I hear you. I'm so grateful for you, for everything you do for me every single day. So as you breathe in, as you breathe out, again, notice, is there a difference in the area that you're holding? Do you feel the pulses more strong, more quiet? Or maybe You don't even want to think so much, but simply feel. Breathe in and breathe out. If you wish, you can simply stay with the thumb. If you want to continue, that's totally fine. Otherwise, if you wish, you may go to the middle finger. So again, you can choose to hold it that way or that way. Again, find the hold that is most comfortable. So just place the finger in the palm of your hand and then envelope it with the rest of your fingers and place it down wherever is comfortable. If you have a table, you can put it there. If you want to put it by your belly or on a pillow, if that is most supportive of you. Simply breathe in ever so gently and breathe out. And as you hold your middle finger, you are also harmonizing the attitude of anger or irritation or upset. And by allowing it to release and harmonize with each exhale, gently allowing it to let go, creating more space to breathe in, to receive, thanking our liver, our gallbladder. Thank you, dear liver, for all the things that you do, helping me digest the food and store my blood. Thank you to my gallbladder for helping me when I ate a little more fried or oily foods, helping me make decisions in life. I'm so grateful for you both. As I breathe in, as you breathe in, as we all breathe in together, we create this beautiful connection with one another in support as we continue to heal and transform. With each breath out, releasing and letting go. With each breath in, receiving, nourishing ourselves, accepting whatever it is that we are needing at this moment in time. If you wish to stay longer with this finger, you may choose to do so. And if you're ready to move on, you can also choose to do that. Right now, my little finger is calling my attention, the pinky little one. You can hold it this way or the other way. Again, whatever is most comfortable and supportive of you, simply do that hold. And place it where it's comfortable, where it feels supported. And as we hold our little finger, we connect with the attitude of trying too hard, trying too much, or the pretense. So we're giving it a chance to harmonize and balance itself. With each exhale, releasing and letting go some more, allowing the melting of the tensions even in our neck and shoulder to simply soften and melt away. At the same time, we are helping our heart, our small intestines. We are helping them with gratitude and love to transform, to nourish, so the blood can flow easily, so digestion happens. The nourishment can be coming back into our system, while the toxins are releasing out ever so easily, ever so gently. Simply exhaling, breathing out, and inhaling, breathing in. And sometimes you may even notice the easier you exhale, the easier then you are able to receive the breath coming in, revitalizing each and every cell and tissue and organ and body parts. Any area that needs the love and care right now. It is happening, and we are so grateful. If you wish to stay there, totally fine. If you wish to move on, you can hold your index finger, your pointer finger. You can hold it that way or the other way. Again, whichever feels most comfortable for you. As you continue to breathe out, letting go, receiving as you breathe in. At the same time, we are harmonizing the kidneys, the bladder. The kidneys are so important that if we didn't sleep early enough or not enough sleep, we feel it in our energy level. So as we now hold our index finger, we are supporting our kidneys and our bladder, which helps the water element of our body. We say, thank you, my kidneys. Thank you, my bladder, for helping me cleanse out the toxins and receive the nourishment into my body. Please forgive me for the times I wasn't doing so much support for you. I will do my best to do better. And I'm so grateful. I love you. I thank you. Again, you may choose to stay there with the index finger, or you may choose to do the last finger for today. The ring finger, second to the pinky, you can hold it that way or that way. And simply bring it down on your lap or on your belly, a pillow or a table. We're connecting to the sadness and grief and helping that to harmonize in our lungs, in our large intestines. When our lungs are open and we're able to receive the breath of life, all the rest of the body is nourished because of the air, the oxygen that flows through each and every cell. It gives us the revitalization, restoration, and recovery. Whether we're asleep, and our cleaning crew is doing the cleaning, or our construction people are doing the reconstruction. You breathe in, we breathe out. Thank you, my dear lungs. Thank you, my dear large intestines. Thank you for helping me heal myself each and every day. We'll do 3 more breaths before coming back at your own pace, ever so gently, letting go with each exhale, receiving with each in-breath. Last one. And when you are ready, gently wiggling your toes, wiggling your fingers. And if your eyes were closed, you may start gently opening them and coming back into the room, being present and one with each other in gratitude and in love. Spending a few moments of silence as you come back to simply notice, has there been a shift? Is it the same? Any observation is good. There is no wrong answer. It's all good. And when you've come back, if you have any questions, you have just a couple minutes. Or if you want to share your experience, that will be great too. Thank you so much.